we've had such a bad frost. It's like a hoar frost, it's in the air. Look at this poor plant, the papyrifus. Looking very, very sad, look. But I've been assured that it can cope and that it will come back in the spring, so let's see. Now you can even see the leaves of the tree fern covered in frost, look. But it's well wrapped with fleece, and the centre's wrapped, got fleece in the middle, you'll see. So I'm hoping these leaves will finish, or fronds will finish anyway, like these ones. These were last year's and I've not cut them off. I'm leaving them for a bit of extra protection. And the poor banana, that's taken a real hit, you can see. But I've wrapped it some more, so I'm just hoping to keep the core of it free from frost. We shall see. Look at this on the palm. Frost all over the cobwebs. It's like Halloween. Fish are very slow and still now. They can go down deep. There's air in the water. It's not frozen, so they're very slow. They won't feed this time of the year. There's running water and there's an aerator, so this should be alright. There's a rosemary covered in frost, look. And this here is my Lagerströmer from France, covered. Let's hope it survives. Again, you can only do what you can do this time of the year. I've protected the plants that need doing the most, so we shall see. And here, believe it or not, this plant's really hardy. It's like a sempervivium of some sort, and it actually copes very well. And look, we've even got a cactus, and again, it doesn't mind as long as it's well drained and it's covered in frost. It should survive. Looks like the banana's got it in the greenhouse, but again, I think that's just superficial, and it is protected in here, so hopefully in the spring that'll send up new leaves. And look at that, how bleak is that? So cold. There's no sunshine coming through today. Look at the top of the fence. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you. See you again soon.